So guys, I'm going to be using this particular video right here to show you how to go from this to this. I mean, how to get a blurry background using Capcut app. Just in case you've always wanted to be a video creator and you do not have an amazing environment or background. But before I get straight to this video, it is important for you to note that for this to work, you need to have good lighting. So if you can't afford to get good lighting equipment, please use enough sunlight. That totally works. Thank you so much for always stopping by my channel if you're old here, and if you're new to my channel, my name is Chisom Belinda and I love to shoot videos on smartphone videography and holistic wellness. Please be nice to hit the subscribe button, like my videos, and also drop comments, even if it's saying thank you or I love this video. With all that said, guys, let's get to the main deal. So guys, let's just get straight to this. This is going to be a very short video. I'm going to get right into my Capcut app here, and then I'll click on plus, which is of course the new project. Click on it, and then I'll go to my video, click on my video, add the video to after adding the video, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to go to effects. I'll go to effects, I'll go to video effects, and then I'll go to basic, and I'll go to blur. So guys, can you see it has blurred my background? So the next thing you can do is adjust, which I'm going to click on adjust. Adjust is trying to, okay, let's do something. So when you click on the blur, it blurs a certain part. Can you see that? So you just have to drag this to the end. Drag it to the end, guys. Drag it to the very end of your video. Then the next thing you want to do is, guys, I'm going to be muting my voice on the video so you can hear me when I talk, in case I'm going to be playing any part of the video while I'm talking. So guys, this is what it looks like. So after that, you go to the beginning of the video again. After, you must have blurred all of your video. It's all blurred right now. It's all blurred. Make sure all of the video is blurred, which I have done right here. Then I'll pause and go to the beginning of the video. Now you can click on that blur you did. Click on it, go to adjust, and adjust the blur if you don't want it to be too blurry. So that's what I'm doing right here. I just adjusted the blur. I can get it very blurry, I can reduce it, just whichever suits you. Then this suits me. I'm okay with this. I'm okay with placing it at about 30. That's good for me. Then I'll go to the beginning of this video, go back, and go to overlay here. I'll get to the same video, click on add overlay, get in that same video. So guys, I'm going to be using add it. I've added it, so make sure it fits into the screen. Yeah, it just fits into the screen now. Then what should I do next? I'll be going to cut out. From cut out, let me go back, see where I went to. Cut out. From cut out, you go to remove background. Remove background. So I'm removing the background. Now remember, I told you about the lighting. If your lighting is bad, you will not be able to get a good cutout when you're done. So look at this. So guys, I'm going to be using this particular video. Let me mute the video so that you can hear me in case I have to talk in between. So guys, look at this. This is quite interesting. This is quite good to look at. So you can also go back in case you don't like how blurry your background is. Maybe it's not so beautiful. Maybe you want to reduce the blurred background. You can go back. Pause. I'm going to go back and click on that main video, and then I'm going to go to effects and click on the effects and go to adjust, and I can still adjust it, reducing the blur. So guys, this is what it feels like. This is what it looks like. So please wait for this remove background to hit 100% before you save your video, so that it doesn't place back the background on it. So when it gets to 100, it means it has completed the removal of the background. So background removed. So guys, this is what your video looks like after you must have use the Capcut to blur your background. So this is it, very easy, simple. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section, and also don't forget to like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new, and don't forget to place a comment saying I love the video or thank you if you really liked this video. So it's an easy one, guys, and you can use it for very lengthy videos, no matter how lengthy it is. Remember what I said, if you don't like your background, you can actually use this to have a beautiful background by blurring that whole background. Make your blur more blurred than I did, so they don't get to know what kind of background you're in. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate. See you on my next video.